Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the Moroccanoil Everlasting Curl Titanium Curling Iron. This styling tool promises to deliver long-lasting curls with its extra-long 1-inch titanium barrel, which also doubles as a curling wand. It's designed for all hair types, and if you're curious about how it holds up in real life, I've got you covered. Right off the bat, the titanium barrel stood out to me. Titanium is known for its excellent heat conductivity and durability, making it a top choice in professional styling tools. The extra long length of the barrel is a clever design. It maximizes the surface area, allowing you to wrap more hair at once, which can speed up the curling process. Plus, since it can be used as a traditional curling iron or a wand, it offers versatility depending on the look you want, from tight curls to loose waves. Using it was straightforward. The handle is ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold during styling sessions. The heat distribution was impressively even, thanks to the titanium material, which helped avoid those annoying hot spots that can damage hair. I tested it on my medium-thick hair, and the curls set beautifully, holding their shape well throughout the day without feeling stiff or crunchy. Even after hours, the curls retain bounce and shine, which is a big win for me. Since it's suitable for all hair types, I'd imagine fine or fragile hair would benefit from the gentle but effective heat transfer that titanium offers. However, it's not without some drawbacks. The barrel's extra length, while useful, can feel a bit unwieldy for beginners or for those who like to style close to the roots. Also, the curling iron gets hot quickly, which is great for efficiency, but it means you really need to be cautious while handling it to avoid accidental burns. It would be helpful if the product came with a heat-resistant glove or better heat shielding near the handle to ease safety concerns. If I had to talk pros and cons, I love the titanium build and how versatile the tool is. Curling iron and wand in one is a definite plus. It heats evenly, styles quickly, and curls last long without the need for excessive hairspray. On the downside, the barrel length can be tricky for some, and the rapid heat up requires careful handling. As for value, this isn't a budget styling tool. Moroccanoil is a premium brand, and the price reflects that. But considering the titanium construction, the dual functionality, and the quality of the curls, I'd say it holds up well against similar high-end curling irons on the market. If you're someone who curls your hair often and wants a tool that's durable, efficient, and can handle different styling techniques, this could be a smart investment. Comparing it to other curling irons I've used, this one edges out many in terms of how long the curls last and how evenly it heats. Some cheaper models tend to overheat in spots or take longer to style, so for the price, you're paying for that reliability and performance. The build quality is solid. The titanium barrel is resistant to scratches and corrosion, which means this tool should stay looking and working like new for a long time. The overall design feels sturdy and well-made, which adds to the premium feel Moroccanoil aims for. I haven't had direct interactions with Moroccanoil's customer service for this product, but their reputation for support in the beauty industry is generally positive. They're known for helpful responses and honoring warranties, so you're in good hands if you need assistance. If you're looking for alternatives, there are curling irons with ceramic barrels that come at a lower price point. They're great for gentle heat distribution, but might not give you the same durability or heat consistency as titanium. So if your budget is tight, those could be worth exploring. But for serious styling longevity and professional-grade performance, this Moroccanoil iron stands strong. So what's the final take? The Moroccanoil Everlasting Curl Titanium Curling Iron is a well-crafted, versatile tool that delivers consistent, long-lasting curls with the added benefit of professional-grade materials. It suits anyone serious about their styling routine and who want a reliable iron that can double as a wand. Beginners might want to take it slow because of the barrel size and heat, but with a little practice, this tool can really elevate your curl game. If you're finding this review helpful so far, please give it a like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the purchase link down in the description or comments below. And if you've already tried this curling iron, drop a comment and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for your hair type. Until next time, thanks for tuning in and stay beautiful inside and out.